Welcome, today I'm with XIAOMI 11T Pro and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on your phone. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now right there, tap here to the gesture shortcut, and here, for example, to launch camera with a double press of the power button, tap here to activate it. As can you see, by double pressing on home button or on block button, you can activate the camera. Also, you can make that. Also, you can turn on this switcher to the double press the volume down, and when your screen will dark, and your camera will activate it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.